Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to set your daily screen timer for TikTok application. If you have a difficulty to manage your time, better you use this features to help you managing your time. So here to manage the time with a TikTok or open your TikTok application, sign or log in with your account, and another thing you just need to take a look at this button features right here and just visit your profile. And in this profile, you need to go into the three straight lines, then top right corner, and just go visit the settings and privacy. And in the settings and privacy, guys, you just need to go into the content and display and choose the fourth rows, which is the activity center. And right after that you will see the daily average screen time that you have. You mostly spend your time like enjoying the TikTok on Sunday for myself. And here let's go set their daily screen timer by click the see all screen time data. And after that, on the first row, on top row, there will be like daily screen time. So I just want to go click it and set daily screen time. So you can also choose the set the same limit for every day, or you can custom limit per a day. So if you choose the second one, you can custom differently the time that you want to set every day. But then if you want to just the same punch all of the days, go click this way, and you can set the time how many times you want to spend your time on a TikTok. You can choose 1 hour or 40 minutes, and after that you just need to go click next, and you're done. Now you already got a daily screen time, so after 40 minutes the TikTok will be closed automatically from your phone. That is the way, guys, how to manage your time with the TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, guys, and I will see you for the next video.